नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का। और इस वीडियो में हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं इकोनॉमिक्स के जितने भी एसएससी सीजीएल ने आज तक क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं उन सबको हम इस एक वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो एसएससी सीजीएल ने एलडीसी एग्जाम में 2015 में पूछा था, व्हेन देयर इज ए इफेक्ट ऑन इकोनॉमी एक्टिविटी ऑफ एन स्पेसिफिक कंट्री ड्यू टू इम्पोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट, देन such economy is called open economy. Second question, the worldwide Great Depression happens in which year? It happened in year 1929. Third, which among the following is not the investment of goods and services? That is C option, increasing department of company. Fourth, preparing butter and ghee for household consumption of own family is part of own account production. Fifth question, multinational firm is a single company established in different economies. Sixth question, internal profit happens in firms when they are expand their product, that is D option. Seventh, the best example of capital intensive industry in India is steel industry. The removal of prohibitions and hindrance by government is called liberalization. Which of the following is related to South-South debate? That is cooperation between developing countries. In an economy, development stage means starting of steadily increasing economy. The tree-like structure of records in a database is hierarchical model. B option. According to Kanj, consumption function shows relation between total consumption and total income. The interest in infrastructure is less because profit is gained after long time. Question 14. World Bank is also called as International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. What happens if labor productivity is increased? Then labor demand curve will shift towards right, that is option C. Socialism is successful in achieving because of excess socialistic approach in society. Question 17. Which among of the following is not a positive sign for any industry? That is decrease in profit. A option. IMF was established to meet which of the following objective? The objectives are promoting international monetary cooperation, lessening the inequilibrium in trade, and fourth one, that is avoiding competitive exchange depreciation. Here answer is in the option B. The capital of IMF is made up by the contribution of member nations. The term microeconomy and macroeconomy was coined by Ragnar Frenz. Question number 21. Micro and macro words was first used by Ragnar Frenz. 22. Arthashastra by Kautilya is related with political design. The social accounting system in India is classified into income, product, and expenditure. That is option C. 24th. The production of a commodity, mostly through the natural process, is an activity of primary sector. Rent is a cost paid for land. 26. Due to worldwide Great Depression, New Deal was declared by Roosevelt, that is option D. The relationship between rate of interest and consumption level was estimated by firstly estimated by Milton Friedman, that is option B. 28. The surplus earning by a factor other than land in the short period is referred as quiche rent. 29. Labor intensive technique would get chosen in a labor surplus economy, that is option A. Amartya Sen was awarded the Nobel Prize for his contribution to welfare economic, that is option B. 31 question. The view of eminent economist Robert Malthus on population is pessimistic, that is given in option A. Question number 32. Which among the following is not true about the work of Human Resource and Development, HRD, that is caste system, that is given in option A. All other are the work of HRD ministry, that is youth and sports, education and child development. Question number 33rd. According to whom second chamber is unnecessary and bad, that is Bentham, given in option B. 34. Who among the following promotes social justice, that is Jones Rawls, given in option C. Question 35. With which form of economy is the term laissez-faire associated, that is capitalistic economy? Question 36. Which of the following statement is correct? That is economic rent is a difference between the market wage and the reservation wage. Question number 37. Who defined rent as that portion or produce of the earth which is paid to the landlord for the use of original and indestructible power of the soil? It is defined by Ricardo, that is given in option A. 38. The word oikonomia means household management. Question number 39. Economics is a social science. Question 40. The supply of labor in the economy depends on population. Question number 41. Wage fund theory was propounded by J.S. Mill. Question number 42. The main feature of capitalist economy is private ownership, that is option D. Question number 43. Exploitation of labor is said to exist when wages are less than marginal revenue product, that is option B is correct. Question 44. Consumption function express the relation between consumption and income. Price theory is also known as microeconomics. 46. Who defined investment as the construction of a new capital assets like machinery or a factory building, that is option B, J.M. Keynes. Question number 47. Economics is what it ought to be. This statement refers to normative economics, given in option A. Labor intensive technique would get chosen in a labor surplus economy? That is option A. Question 49. Interest is a reward for parting with liquidity is according to Keynes, given in option A. 50. Who said economics is science of wealth? It is said by Adam Smith, father of economics. 51. Who among the following is not a classical economist? That is op- that is John Maynard Keynes. That is option D. Question number 52. The national income consists of a collection of goods and service reduced to common basis by being measured in terms of money. Who says this? This is says by Hicks. That is given in option C. 53rd. Core industries are basic industries. That is option A. Question 54. The capital formation in an economy depends on total saving. Question 55. Which of the following does not determine supply of labor? That is marginal productivity of labor. Equilibrium is a condition that can change only if some internal factor changes. That is given in option C. Question 57. Which of the following concepts are most closely associated with J.M. Keynes? That is marginal efficiency of capital. Question 58. An economy is in equilibrium when aggregate demand to aggregate supply. इक्विलिब्रियम तभी होती है जब एग्रीगेट डिमांड और एग्रीगेट सप्लाई इक्वल हो. So here C is the right answer. In equilibrium, a perfectly competition firm will equate marginal revenue with marginal cost. Question 60. The difference between the price and consumers is prepared to pay for a commodity and the price which he actually pay is called consumer surplus. Question 61. Who is called the father of economics? That is Adam Smith. 62. In the long run equilibrium, a competition firm earns normal profit. Question 63rd. According to the classical system, saving is a function of income. 64. The labor which creates value and get rewarded for its services is called productive labor. That is given in option C. Question 65. Which of the following is not an economic problem? That is D. Deciding between different ways of spending leisure time. Question number 66. The basic infrastructure facilities in economics are known as social overhead capital. That is given in option C. Question 67. What are the main components of basic social infrastructure of an economy? The basic social infrastructure are education, health, and civil amenities. Question 68. If an industry is characterized by economics of scale, then long-run units of production decreases as the quantity the firm produces increase. Here, the right answer is B. Question 69. Distinguish unemployment means more people working than required. Question 70. The famous economist Thomas Robert Malthus, in his views regarding population, is pessimist. Question 71. Economic problem arises because of scarcity of means. Question 72. The price mechanism is a feature of capitalist economy. Question 73. Human Development Index HDI is developed by Mahbub ul Haq, that is given in option C. Question 74. Globalization means integration of domestic economy with the world economy. 75. Disinvestment in public sector is called privatization. 76. Hire and fire is the policy of capitalism. The economic development depends on all of these, that is natural resources, capital formation and size of the market. In 78, which one of the following categories of worker is termed as cultivators? Cultivators are those who cultivate the land of others, that is option C. 79. India is called a mixed economy because of the existence of public sector and joint sector, that is option B. Question 80. In an economy, the sector are classified into public and private on the basis of ownership of enterprises, that is option C. Question 81. The Imperial Bank of India, after its nationalization, comes to be known as State Bank of India. Question 82. Interest paid by the government on the loans raised is called debit servicing. It is called debit servicing, that is option A. If the central bank wants to encourage an increase in the supply of money and decrease in the cost of borrowing money, it should low cash ratio reserve, that is option A. Question number 84. In India, 1 rupee coin note and subsidiary coin are issued by the central government. Question number 85. What is the name of electronic communication network of the Reserve Bank of India? It is RBI net, that is given in option C. 86. Which of the following is Apex Bank for Industrial Loans, that is IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. 87. The basic regulatory authority for mutual funds and stock market lies with SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. Question number 88. Dear money means high rate of interest. Question number 89. A commercial bank law creates credit only if it has cash in the wallet. Question number 90. The rate of interest is determined by liquidity preference. 91. Legal tender money refers to currency notes. Question number 92. What is known as the open market operation of the RBI? That is trading in securities, given in option C. Question number 93. Under the minimum reservation system, the Reserve Bank of India as a sole authority of note issue is required to maintain asset worth not less than 200 crores, that is given in option C. Question number 94. The ratio of a bank's cash holding to its total deposit liabilities is called the cash reserve ratio, given in option B. Question number 95. The best way a bank can avoid loss is to accept sound collateral, that is given in option B. 96. Which of the following Mahatma Gandhi series currency note issued by RBI has a drawing of the Parliament House de- depicted on it? That is ₹50 नोट. 50 रुपए के नोट के ऊपर पार्लियामेंट हाउस की फोटो होती है. Question 97. Which of the following Mahatma Gandhi series of currency note issued by RBI has ecology deficit? That is on the note of 100 rupees. 100 रुपए के नोट के ऊपर होता है. Question number 98. The government of India made it obligatory on the part of all commercial banks that they should give some cash amount while purchasing government bonds. What would you call this? This is statutory liquidity ratio, SLR. Question number 99. The main source of long-term credit for a business unit is sale of stocks and bonds to the public. Question 100. A scheduled bank is one which is included in second schedule of Reserve Bank of India Act. Thank you. We have completed all 100 questions of SSC Economics section. If you like this, please share with your friend and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.